Jen struggles with dry skin and can't find a product that works for her. Kim never learned her family history and wants to know where she's from. Nick can't lose weight no matter what diet he's on. Alan can't stop sneezing, but he can't figure out why. Brian wants to trace his ancestral journey for his year-long trip around the world. Joy is a beautiful mixed-breed dog, but she really wants to know exactly what kind. Learning about your DNA doesn't have to be complicated. With an at-home DNA test, you can learn all about your genetics. When it comes to your past, your health, your skin, and more, a simple cheek swab can give you answers that only your genetics can provide. Within anywhere from 3 to 10 weeks, you'll receive your easy-to-interpret results online. Now that everyone has their DNA test results back, let's see what we can learn from our genes. Jen carries a gene variation that weakens her skin's natural sun protection. Daily sunscreen and a moisturizer will help her skin stay hydrated. Kim's ancestry was no surprise. She came out 100% European from Lithuania. Nick's body needs complex carbohydrates to function optimally. He needs to eat lots of beans, whole grains, and green vegetables. Alan is allergic to pet dander, gluten, and lactose. An antihistamine a day, a lactaid pill, and avoiding gluten will do the trick. Brian's paternal ancestors came from Turkey, made their way to Syria, and ended up in Cyprus. Joy can be proud that she's 12.5% white Swiss Shepherd and 25% Maremma Sheepdog. Now it's your turn to start your own journey into what makes you, you. For more expert information, check out bestonlinereviews.com.